好啦，今日咧想拍下片啊，講下尋日一條題目叫 Learning Other Languages，除咗 Chinese 同埋 English，講下香港學生可唔可以學下第三、第四語言呢 OK，第一部分咧，佢話點解香港學生想學其他語言啊？咁我覺得咧，你可以試下擴闊呢個討論範圍啊，即係 Hong Kong student 咧，除咗 local student 咧，仲講埋 international school student，可以探討下嘅。OK，因為我覺得比較常見。我準備嘅時候咧，我用10分鐘寫，我即刻彈咗個字咧就係 interracial marriage。咁佢講翻學生咧，我就 interracial dating 係啦。咁因為國際學校本身就係有好多唔同國家種族嘅人噶嘛。OK，咁所以咧佢哋談戀愛嘅機會多啲咩 interracial。OK， 唔同種族之間嘅，例如一個香港嘅女仔咧，同一個印度嘅男仔拍拖啦，或者一個香港嘅男仔啊，同一個日本嘅女仔拍拖。OK， 咁學對方嘅語言咧，即係除咗英文啦，係會為分啦，亦都咧，我諗起句 quote 咧，我想同大家分享，我覺得係適合呢條題目好正。佢話 If you talk to a man，呢個 man 指 person 啦，唔係指男人啦，指任何人啦。If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to his language，talk to him in his language，that goes to his heart。咁會好加分㗎咯。如果你肯make 個 effort 去學對方嘅語言，係一樣好 beautiful 好美麗嘅一件事。OK， 如果將來順利有機會係有個 marriage 咧，你要見家長啦 ，father-in-law、mother-in-law， 咁如果對方咁啱有英文可能爭啲溝通咧就困難啲，要 rely on 你嘅 partner 去做一個 translation 嘅時候，但係有好多嘢就會 get lost in translation， 有好多 subtleties， 有啲細微嘅位咧，亦都係消失咗啊。OK， 咁所以咧就只去顯示到你嘅 effort。OK， 題外話咧，諗起一句説話咧，香港人成日講啊，佢話咧結婚咧就係戀愛嘅墳墓啊。我而家寫 marriage is a tombstone for romance， 咁我就認為唔係啊，唔係婚姻啊，係懶惰啊，懶惰先係戀愛嘅墳墓啊。OK， 所以 effort 係好重要。Anyway， 第一個部分我會試下講一講 international school student 嘅一個 dynamic， 佢嗰個狀況。好啦，第二咧，佢就話香港學生有啲咩語言啊？第三語言係 popular 嘅咧？嗱，我啊覺得一定係 Korean 嘅啦，同埋可能 Japanese 咁樣啦。咁但係要突圍而出嘅話咧，可能我會做第三、第四個同學發言咯。嗱，咁我近期咧，大家可能都聽過一個金馬獎嘅一個得獎咧，叫鐘雪瑩，係啦，咁贏咗 Best Leading Actress。咁佢嗰套電影咧得獎咧就叫 The Way We Talk， 係關於 the deaf community 聾啞人士啊。咁我諗起，香港學生有機會都做一啲 volunteering， 有機會咧會學一種語言咧，就唔係真係有聲音嘅，係叫 sign language， 叫手語啊。OK， 可以形容下咧 ，it's a beautiful and expressive language， 只係用你嘅 hand shapes。facial expressions, body movements 可以 express 到你自己，好 expressive 㗎。你以為係 limited， 但係其實可以表達好深厚，係啦，好嘅含義啦，好多嘅意思啦。OK， 咁咧就可以 communicate with people who are deaf or hard of hearing， 係啦，有聽障啦。hearing impaired 嘅人士啦，咁都幾 popular 嘅，你可以咁樣講噶，係啦，喺做義工裏面學 sign language 都幾常見嘅，學一啲手語歌啦去表演啦，係啦，甚至用 sign language 同對方去溝通咧，係可以 broaden 你嘅 horizons。第三個位咧，佢就話有咩其他方法喺 classroom 以外咧可以學呢個 language 咧？我覺得咧香港人咧，係有好多喺一啲 wealthy families 啦，你可以話有請 domestic helper， 但我哋從來都唔會諗咧學對方嘅語言嘅，可能覺得對方係低等啲咯，低級啲咯，而我係絕對反對呢種思想咯。我認為應該要平等啦，你咁樣只會係 limit 咗你嘅 horizons，rather than broaden the horizons， 會 limit 咗 the horizons。我點解唔可以俾小朋友？喂，佢直情係有個 native speaker 喺度，點解唔可以學 Filipino 咧？點解唔可以學 Indonesian 咧？你學多個語言咧，係對你嘅 cognitive ability 係增加嘅，同埋你嘅 communication skills 都應該增加喎。OK， 可能你功利啲講啦，你可以 open doors to new possibilities， 對未來可能 travel 咧或者 career 都有幫助啊。嗱，呢個咧就叫做達到目的的手段 ，a means to an end。咁但係亦都可以係溝通就係本身，你想同人交流就係你目的嘅本身啊 ，an end itself。好啦，咁所以咧我就認為咧， 真係可以學多啲嘅 language， 係啦，一定係百害無一利嘅，百利而無一害啊。OK，咁就係啦，希望大家鍾意，我覺得呢3個 point 都唔錯，好。